be your parents, it could be your friend, and even your pet. Yeah, that's right, even your pet. I have a little cat at home and I learned the cat stretch in yoga from my cat. So he's my teacher too. Isn't that cute? Can you learn a cat pose from your cat? I think you can, right? Well, and today's made even more special because we had some outstanding and amazing adults who are going to come up here and talk to us about play. Play is so much fun, right? Well, you can't have learning without play because once you start playful learning, it goes on for life. And I'm a learner for life, so play is great. Guess the most important part of play is learn. So all you teachers out there, remember to stay silly and be the most authentic version of yourself while you teach. Right? Here we go. The importance. Just this one. I can't wait to hear what they have to say. So let's bring in my friend who also teaches me a lot of things. My friend and teacher, Miss Sonali Khan. Welcome over, Miss Sonali. Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, you're the best.
So,
did somebody say flush? Yes, that's right. Swoosh goes the flush and whoosh go the germs. And do you know how to wash your hands? What do you use to wash your hands after the toilet? Soap, that's right. Soap and water. Ooh, these guys are smart. Okay, now the last and final question. How long do you wash your hands for? Well, 1 minute is good, that's great. But you have to wash it for at least 20 seconds. So if you're doing for 1 minute, that's awesome. Good job, everybody. Give yourself a big clap. Air high five. Can everybody do an air high five? High five. Good job. All the clean hands.
yes.
What are we doing next, Miss Shobha? I want to study in Shillong too.
You ready?
Yeah. Mr. Linda sir.
Yep.
Mr. Linda sir, can I request you to take a picture?
Can we
I
have the
really
entire
like to take a
dignitaries to
picture
have the
with you.
picture?
And have all the dignitaries come over to the
Sampath
stage as well.
sir, Sanjay sir, please.